Let's make a Syrian Christian fish molee and a tempered mashed potato and Vattichathu like this. Let's make a mashed potato on an interesting way. Wash potatoes, peel and sliced. Onto a hot water, place the potato and boil till soft. Drain all the water. Place the potato on a bowl. While it's hot, add cream, olive oil, butter cubes, milk, and just crush it. After all the potatoes are crushed, make a swirl and make a mash. Add just enough salt and whisk it to a mashed potato. Let's temper the potato now. Onto a pot, add butter, mustard seed, few curry leaves and let it crack. Dry red chilies, some fine sliced shallots. Stir continuously until it's golden. Add the tempering to the mashed potato. Make a swirl and keep it aside. Let's do the task number 2. Boil some water. Add salt, a dash of olive oil and bring into rolling hot. Add macaroni pasta. Give a stir and let it simmer for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, drain the pasta, add olive oil and give a mix and set it aside. Let's make the cashew nut paste. Cashew nuts, add some water and let it soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add to the blender jar water and blend into a fine paste like this. Now let's marinate the salmon. Onto a bowl, freshly cracked black pepper, turmeric powder, salt to taste, squeeze fresh lemon juice and make a mix. Let's everything combine well. Add the cubed salmon and mix well and set it aside for 30 minutes. Onto a pot, add some coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best to get best flavor out of for this dish. Add the marinated fish. Fry 3 minutes on one side. Flip it around. Another 2 minutes on other side. Transfer to a plate. The important step is not to overcook the fish. And let's cook all the salmon. When all the salmon is cooked, onto the same oil. We need 3 tablespoon oil. If not, add little bit. Some cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick. Make a swirl. Sliced garlic, julienne ginger, some slit green chilies, and few curry leaves and stir. Let the fragrance come out. It will take only just 1 minute. Add sliced onions, combine well, and let get the onion soft and transparent. Add turmeric powder. Give it your pecks. When the spices are cooked, add the second coconut milk. Again, give a quick mix. Salt to taste. Freshly cracked black pepper. Bring to boil. Add the cashew nut paste. Combine well. And boil for 10 minutes. Add the salmon and boil for 3 minutes. Don't use any spoon. There's a chance of the fish will be broken. Add first milk, vinegar, make a swirl, add the pasta and tomatoes. Turn off the heat. Don't let it boil again after adding the first milk. Cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. Let's do the plating. Mashed potato onto the plate. Make a hole at the center, like this. Add the fish to the center of the plate. Add sauce on the top, the macaroni, and the tomato. If you got any splash on the plate, clean the plate. Served with Vattichathu.
Let's try this dish, a 5-star style Fish Moilee with mashed potato. Very creamy, just melts into your mouth, and a beautiful flavor combination. In between, a bite of Vattichathu makes it so good. Please try the recipe. If you like it, share it, comment it, and support me by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen.